Namaste students, welcome to our RSV Group of School YouTube channel. Today our topic is checking subtraction and finding the missing digits. So students, first we will take the one example. Yes, as you can see, our question is subtract 37,254 from 85,106 and check your answer also. So students, first we will arrange the digit. Yes. So before arrange the digit, first we will compare the both digit. Then when we will subtract the number, first we will write down the greater number on top side and smaller number is below side. So when we will compare both the number, we will find out 85,106 is greater than 37,254. So we will arrange the number, and before arrange the number we will write down the place value according to their digit, and we will start write down the place value from right to left. So we will start from ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then we will arrange the number. Our number is 85,106 minus 37,254. So students, let's start how we will subtract the number. Yes, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Yes, 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we borrow 1. Yes, so 10 here and 1 minus 1 equal to 0 here. So 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Again 0 minus 2 is not possible, so we borrow 1 again. So here 10 and 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So 10 minus 2 equal to 8. 4 minus 7. Yes students, 4 minus 7 is not possible, so we borrow again 1. So here we will write down 14. And 8 minus 1 equal to remaining is 7. So 14 minus 7 equal to 7 and 7 minus 3 equal to 4. So our answer is 47,852. Yes, 85,106 is minuend and 37,254 is subtrahend and 47,852 is difference. So students, what is the meaning of minuend, subtrahend and difference? We will check first. So minuend means number from which we subtract. Yes, minuend means number from which we subtract. Yes, subtrahend means number which is subtracted. Subtrahend means number which is subtracted, and difference, it means result or answer. Yes, difference, it means result or answer. Yes, clear to all? Then we will check our answer also. Yes, when we will check the answer, first we will write down the difference, it means our result. So our result is 47,852, and then we will write down the subtrahend. Subtrahend means number which is subtracted. So as you can see, we will subtracted the number 37,254. So here we will write down again 37,254, and we will put the sign here plus, because we will check the answer. So we will use the sign plus. Now we will, as you can see here sign is plus, so we will add both the number. So 2 plus 4 equal to 6, 5 plus 5 equal to 10, write 0 and carry forward 1. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Write 1. Again carry forward 1. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Write 5. Again carry forward 1. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So, our answer is 85,106. So, when we will check our answer, first we will write down the difference, then we will add the subtrahend, so we will get the minuend. Clear to all? So, our next topic is finding the missing digits. Yes students, now we will take another example. Yes, for example, our question is finding the missing digits. Yes, and our question is 5 dash 6 dash 2 minus dash 5 dash 4 and 1. Then our answer is dash 4 3 2 3. Yes, and we will find the missing numbers. So when we will find the missing number, again first we will write down the place value from right to left, and we will start from ones place. Yes, so as you can see, 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and we will find the tens place missing number. So 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So we will write down the 8 here. As you can see, I have write down the 8 here. So 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So in tens place dash we will write down the 8. Then we will move to 100 place digit, 6 dash 3. So 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So here in dash we will write down the 3. As you can see, 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So here we will write down the 3. Now we will move to next place. Yes, 1000 place. So dash minus 5 equal to 2. So 2 plus 5 equal to, here we will write down 7, and 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So here we will write down the 7. Clear to all? Now we will move to the 10,000 place. 10,000 place 5 is also there, then dash, then answer is 3. So 5 minus which number we will subtract? 2. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So students, everyone understood how we will find the missing number? Yes. So our answer is 57,682 minus 25,341 equal to, our answer is 32,341. Clear to all? So students, today we will learn, yes, checking subtraction and finding the missing digits. Clear to all? Thank you.